Okay guys, quickly, let me show you something. Should be Moses Mabit. Shacks at the beach, guys. Behind me, there's the name, Waterfront. Okay guys, we did it, doing it again. Going our neighbor. Yeah, we're doing it again guys, we're doing it again. Just join us on this trip. We're going to forgot the name of the hotel. I always forget the name of him, but we'll show you when we get there.
When
guys.
we get there,
It's
yeah.
just here in Durban. Okay.
Alright.
Okay guys, quickly, let me show you something. Let me just show you something quickly. We're gonna show you an old man. I don't know what's his name. They haven't shown the name. I'm gonna show you an old man. I don't know. Should be Moses Mabit. Oh, here's the beard. Here's the beard. Yeah, Moses Mabit, guys. Okay, we're gonna show you just now. Okay guys, that was Moses Mavida. Very nice place, guys.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
I hope you like those shots. Those to show new. Let me just turn around so you can see the place properly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay guys, let's move on. Alright guys, we're gonna show you something we just came across. It's at this lake. I don't know what's the name of it.
Lake.
Yeah, but it's they have these small boats that they are playing here.
Yeah.
We're just gonna show you now. Yeah, we just came across it.
It's really
It's very beautiful. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna show you now. Okay, guys, we're here at the beach,
Lagoon Beach.
Blue Lagoon Beach, guys. Okay, we will show you now. You're gonna be quite surprised. We saw something shacks at the beach there behind me.
That's South Africa for you.
Shacks at the beach, guys. Okay, yeah, you don't get to see that every day. I'll show you now. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you a place called Garden. Hey,
I don't know that.
I don't know the names.
I'm gonna show you in the video.
That you'll see on the video. It's a very nice place. It's like a park, sort of. It's here near the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, opposite Southern Sun Hotel. I'll show you the place now. Okay, guys, that was park. It's called Garden Municipal something. All right, but I'm sure you saw the pictures, you saw the videos. It's beautiful. So it's one of the parks if you want to come chill next to a beach. If you want to go in, you come to.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, guys. Let's see.
Check in.
Let's check in. place. Okay, we'll just show you a little bit. Okay, where we're going to be checking in. Just still waiting. Okay, check-in time is 2. This is the name. The Waterfront Hotel and Spa. Okay, this is the name behind me. Name of the hotel, and I'll show you. I'm gonna show you around how it looks. Take B-rolls.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay guys, I will be really honest. I think this place is just, it's beautiful, but it is neglected. That's the problem. They neglected it too much, not cleaning, nothing. That's what I'm just seeing. But it's a very nice place. Okay, we'll just see more of it. I think the maintenance, it's not so good. I don't know whether it's closing down, whether it was the lockdown that made them neglect the place. I don't know. But I'll just show you around. It's been a long day. Okay, I think we'll see you in the morning. Rise and shine, guys. It's the morning. Time to leave. We are going now. Sadly, to leave the wonderful place. I give it a tick. Waterfront. Yeah, I give it a tick, guys. Nice place, nice hotel. Okay, all right. Sadly, you have to leave. Okay, we're leaving now. It's that time. Guys. Nice place behind me. There's the name, Waterfront. Exciting, very nice place, guys. To be when you're in Durban. Looking here, okay. We have to say bye to Waterfront. Nice experience.
Nice and simple place.
Nice and simple. We are living. There's the place there. Yes, that's the place, guys. We're checking out. Today it's the morning. It's around 10 o'clock. Going back to Marisburg. Yeah. Okay. All right.